Hi, this is John Kim. Welcome back to Space Invaders. Okay, so let's see where we can go from here. All right, let's see what we have. Um, all right, all right. So we're able to move and fire. Okay. All right. So what we need to do now is just get the aliens in there. All right. So let's do that. All right. So I'm going to put this over to the side and do it like this. Actually. All right. So for now, we'll keep it like this. Let's open up the JavaScript and the CSS. Okay. All right. So let's bring out the aliens. All right. Okay. So one thing that we want to change here is we want to make sure that the DOM is fully loaded. So I'm going to put this inside of a jQuery parentheses thing and put this inside. So this way it guarantees that draw is going to be called after the DOM is loaded. Okay, this shouldn't change anything. All right, so the next thing we want to do is create the aliens. So create aliens. All right, so I'll start writing the function over here. Create aliens. All right, so let's see what we're going to do here. So to create the aliens, let's just create an image. Var image, new image. So we have an image object and we need to specify the source. And it's stored in images alien1.png. Okay, so that's our first alien. And we're going to take that image and put it inside of the game. So game append image. Okay, so let's see if this works. All right, we have a broken image there. Oh, it's because it is alien A. All right, so we have the alien there, and we have a bunch of them. So let's see, let's make an array. So of our aliens, we have the array images alien1a.png images alien2a.png and okay images alien3a.png. Okay, so we have our three aliens and we'll just put it into a loop. So we'll go right here saying that aliens each. Okay, so function. Okay, the function for each, oh actually I have to wrap this up inside of a jQuery. All right. So the first one is the index and the second one is the alien image object. So we'll just call it alien there. All right, and we'll take this code, just put it right in there. All right. All right, and instead of image source, we'll just say alien here. And so all of these will be, so three images of these aliens should be added. I save. And now we have the three aliens. Okay, actually they're not quite in the order that we want. We want this guy to be first, second, third. So we just move this guy, alien 3. Images alien3a.png. Okay, and then we just remove this guy. Okay, save. Okay, I think we broke something. Oh, comma. All right, so that's the order that we want, but now we want to put 11 of these going across. All right, so let's do that. So going across, okay, so for var column is equal to 0, column is less than 11 col. Okay, so we'll set this up so that we'll create these images, and we will specify the location. Let's see. Okay, so the image CSS, we want to specify the left position. We'll say column times alien width. Okay, and then alien width, we'll make it a global variable. Actually, I realize I should be using camel case here. So let's see, camel case. All right, so we'll just set width to be 50. Okay, the width. All right, so that's the left position, and the right position, I mean not the right, but the top position is going to be, I'll just have alien height is just say 50, and we'll adjust it. Okay, so that would be see, the index times alien height. Okay, I think that's good for now. Let's see what happens. I'm not expecting, oh, I wasn't expecting blank, so let's see, there must be a JavaScript error. Has no method CSS. Ah, that's right. We have to wrap it around the jQuery parentheses. So let's see, where is it? Okay, so here we have to wrap it around. Okay, we save. Okay, so we're getting there, except that the position is not being respected, and the reason why is because actually let's put a class on that. So image add class alien. Okay, and then we'll modify the CSS so that so for alien, position is absolute. So this way we can position it. Okay, saved it. All right. Okay, so obviously we have to adjust some of the width. It's a little bit spaced out. Okay, so if this is 11, I think we have this a little bit too wide, so let's just cut it off about here. And let's go back to the CSS, and the width for the game, we have it at 1000, but we'll set it to 800. Let's see. Okay, it's not bad. Okay. Okay, so when it moves across, it see, maybe let's see what happens if it's 780. Just a little bit more. All right, just a little bit more. Okay. All right, so all right, the height is a little bit too far, so let's just adjust that so that the height is going to be 40. Okay, we could do a little bit more, I guess 35. All right, this is good. One other thing that's a little bit annoying is that they have to be adjusted a little bit because it's not centered. So I'm going to create another set of arrays here. So var offsets, say, I'll just say offsets. Okay, I was going to call it alien offsets, but yeah, we're only going to use it right here. So the first one, that's 5, 2, and 0. Okay, So just offset that just a little bit, and so for the left, we're going to add a little bit of that offset. So offsets based on the index. All right, so let's see. We save. Okay, so now these are adjusted a little bit, and they look pretty good. Okay, what we want to do is have 2 rows each of these things. So let's do that. So let's create a variable, rows, set it to 0, and okay, actually we don't need to do that, so we can just put it right here. So for var row is equal to 0, row is less than 2 row. Okay, and let's just get this right here. Okay, so now instead of, okay, we have to set the position now. So we have the left and we have the top, and we have to adjust this so that it's no longer, see, top is index times 2 plus row. Okay, put that all into 1. Okay, so let's see. All right, so we have 2 rows of each, and okay, I'm able to fire, but it, okay, let me just move over a little bit. Okay, I'm able to fire, but it doesn't register any hits, so we have to do that. Okay, so let's actually let's see, cannon top left. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. See, cannon. Okay, so left. Oops. Let's see, where would the center be? I think I had it at 800, so if I put it at, I guess I could have just looked at the width, so 400. Actually, the width is, so half of this would be 390, so put the cannon at 390. 390, and that should be in the center. Okay. All right, so, oh, that didn't do it. Let's see what happened. I said 390, but maybe I need to say pixels. Okay. See if that, oh, I was doing it at the top. Okay. 390 pixels. Okay. All right, so let's go back here and see if I press. Okay, so this way I don't have to move it when I test it. Okay, so let's just, okay. So far so good. And, okay, so how are we going to register if it's a hit? So we know we can go through each of these aliens and figure out their position. So let's find a good place to put it. Oh, there is one bit of a little gotcha right here. This bullet is removed, so I want to make sure that when the bullet is removed, it's at the very last position of the of these statements, because I don't want any statements after this to refer to bullet, because it may have been removed. So I'll make sure that this is at the end. All right, so we need to detect if an alien has been hit. So so let's do that by okay, so I'll say see, I'll just have a var again for alien hit. Okay, actually let this be the function, and I'll just call it alien. So I'll say alien is equal to alien hit. So this will find which alien got hit based on the bullet. So this needs to take the bullet's position. So I'm just going to pass it the position. It's a function, so I have to call it. All right. And if it returns something, so I'll say if alien, then we're going to remove it. So we'll say, we'll put it in jQuery and say remove. Okay, so this should remove the alien. We should also remove the bullet as well. So bullet dot remove. Okay, so we have to fix this code now because we have to make sure that the bullet still exists. So okay, if bullet dot length is greater than 0, and okay, so we fix that up. So if it hits, then the bullet should stop and remove the alien. Okay, so let's see. All right, we need to write alien hit. Okay, let's do that. Okay, and it takes a position. Let's call it bullet position. Okay, because we're going to have another position here. Okay, we're going to go through each of the aliens. So, okay, this goes through. This is an array of all the aliens, and we are going to see what should we do. We should say each and give it a function. Okay, we haven't specified the function yet. Okay, we specify the alien, the returned alien, so return alien. Okay, and okay, if we'll say this is null. Okay, if we found the alien, then we'll just return. Okay, and otherwise we'll need to figure out if it was hit. So we have the bullet's position. So bullet. Actually, we can just say we need the alien position. So that is, we get the alien and call position on it. Okay, so this way we have the alien position. All right, so we have the bullet position and we have the alien position. So so given the bullet position, let's do the x coordinates to the left. That has to be in between the alien position left, okay, and the bullet position has to be alien position, okay, it has to be within the left and left plus the width of the alien. So I think we have alien, I don't want to say alien width, I want to make sure that it's the actual width of the alien. So I'll have it calculate that width. Okay. All right, and then we need to do the same thing for the Y position. So alien position top, bullet position top, bullet position top is less than alien position dot top plus alien height. Okay, so if this condition holds, okay, all right, if this position holds, then we want the alien to be equal to oh, let's see, okay, oh, see. Okay, I think instead of I have two uses of alien. One for the iterative value. So we want to keep alien the way it is, and this is really this. Um, okay, so and this will be this as well, and this. Okay, so that's what I meant. And the alien is this. Okay. All right, let's make sure everything. Okay, it looks like it should parse. So we save. All right, we have a JavaScript error. Let's see what the JavaScript error says. Okay. Syntax error, unexpected token var 65. So let's go to 65. Oh, so we're not closing something here now. We have an if. Oh, we have a var if. Let's see if we close the if. Okay, that's good. And we have this if condition is closed. This closes the function. This closes the each. Return alien. And if I okay, so this looks all good. What is it saying? Main 65. 65. It doesn't like this. Maybe only one. Oh, this because I have a comma over here. All right. All right. So let's see. All right. This is good. And let me. Oh, errors. Left is not defined. 65. 65. Canon position left. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay, great. No more JavaScript errors. So now I fire. Hey, perfect. Okay, this. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens if I. Wow. Okay, this is great. So this one you can see that it just missed. All right. So let's make the aliens move now. So I'll just say. And if you notice, in the original Space Invaders, the aliens didn't move smoothly. They moved in sort of a jerky fashion. So I'm going to do it based on the tick. So every 5 ticks, it will do an update. So let's do that. Okay, so here, let's put a if every 5 ticks. Okay, we'll do it right here. And each alien dot CSS, and we'll just see. We'll just add the X position. So that's the left. So we need to get the position. So for let's see. Oh, actually, I need to say each. Okay. I wonder if there's a way in jQuery to do this. Okay, well, let's just do it this way. Okay, so we'll say this CSS left. We need to get the positions left, and then we'll add 5 to it. Okay, and so right now we'll just have it going across. And then we need to end the CSS. Okay, each function, do that. All right, so let's see what happens. I save. Oh, perfect. And right now we're not stopping them. Okay. Oh, so we noticed that it overflows past the line. So let's just, this is really not a problem, but for now, but we'll say for the canon, not canon, the game overflow to be hidden. So when it does go across, okay, so I'll just reload. Okay, now we should see it just hide. Okay, right now it's not going to affect this because it'll never get to this point, but when a spaceship appears, we want to make sure that that's handled. Okay. Speaking of spaceship, that means that it should be down a little bit further. So let's just do that. Go back to the main, and when it's creating the aliens, let's for the top. This is getting a little bit long, so let's just put it like this. Okay. So for the top, we'll just add a little bit of a buffer here. We'll just say we'll just add 50. 50. Okay, so let's see. All right, so this gives a little room for the spaceship to appear on the top. Okay, so we want to find the as soon as one of them hits the edge, we want to make it go the other way. So let's do that. But first, we'll just let's see. It's going a little bit fast, so I'm going to have a variable here called let's see, alien tick, and right now we'll have it really slow, 10. So every 10th tick, alien tick. Okay. Then we move it going across. So alien direction is going to be 5. So alien direction. Okay. So let's see. So this should be a little bit okay. Still going a little bit fast. So initially, let's start this off at say 50. So now it's going to be 5 times slower. Okay, not bad. And we should still be able to move, which is good. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's see how we can detect whether it reached the edge. So we're going to see if it reached the edge if, for now, for testing, we'll just keep this as 1 so we can see it hit the end. Okay. All right, so let's do this here. Where should we put it? So it's not a property of the bullet, so it should be right here during this tick. So for each one, it's been updated. And so we'll go through and see if it hit the edge. So I'm going to call these are the left positions. So that would be all the X positions of the alien. So that would be, let's get all the aliens and map it. Okay, function. And we need to say return. Okay, this. We get the positions left. All right. So this gets all the X positions of the alien. And so we're just using that as a convenient way to store it. All right. And we say we're going to use math.max of apply math alien lefts. Okay, so this should find the maximum of all these, and we have to see left. Okay, see plus 50. Okay, actually not plus 50 this way. in here, plus 50. If it's greater than game, actually alien width. Okay, width. Okay, so if it reached the edge, then we want the alien direction to be negative alien direction. Okay, so let's just see if that works. Okay, now we need to do it the other way. Okay, so we could also, let's just say or here, or math.min, and we do the same thing, math alien lefts. This time we don't add anything, so leave that alone. If it's less than 0, okay, less than or equal to 0, then we see, we also change directions. Okay, save. So now they should just be bouncing back and forth. Okay, I think for now, okay, let's see if I fire. Okay, this isn't bad. Okay, we also want it to come down a little bit. All right, so let's just see. We'll tell all the aliens each. Okay, so we're going to tell, all right, so we're going to set the CSS, the left position, actually the top position, and we're going to make it go down one. So this position top plus alien down. Okay. All right. So let's see. And alien down will say, let's go just 3. All right. So let's see. So now after it hits, it goes down a little bit. All right. Okay, let's put those ticks back to alien tick to 10. Okay, slow it down a little bit. It's going a little bit too fast. Okay, it's not bad. We do want to change, animate these aliens so that every time they take a step that they change to their secondary picture. All right, so let's do that. So let's animate them. All right, so every time there's an alien tick, let's store some data associated with them. So let's see where the alien creation happens. Okay, so here we have, okay, so aliens, and I'll make this an array of an array. So this is images alien 3b.png. Okay, and images alien 1b.png. And images alien 2b.png. Okay, so we have to change the code here so that aliens, okay, instead of, where is it? Right here. So we would say alien 0, the first one. But associated with this, I'll say images, image dot, and we'll create an attribute, and we'll call it data. And we set that to alien. So this way, we can go back and forth between the two images. Okay, so depending on, well, actually, let's put it here. So alien, see what we call it, alien image, step. Okay, so we'll set it at 0. Oh, index actually. Okay, so all right. So whenever there's a tick, we'll, okay, let's put it at the top here. So we'll say alien image index is equal to 1 minus alien image index. So this way, if it's a 1, it'll be a 0, and if it's a 0, it'll be a 1. So it goes back and forth between 1 and 0. And what we'll do is we'll say, okay, for each of the aliens, this dot source is equal to, actually this is wrong, so it should be, we don't need that. We can say source is equal to data, and it'll be alien image index. Okay, so let's see. That should take care of it. So let's see. We have a JavaScript error, so let's fix that. Okay, semicolon 32. So 32. Oh, we didn't close this up. Okay. All right. Oh, there we have it. Now it's being animated. So every time it makes a move, it animates. It's still going a little bit too fast, so let's just put this way up. Alien tick, we set it 10, so let's set it 50. So initially, it'll be very slow. And every time it takes a step, we can decrement the, oh, let's do that. So every time it takes a step, let's see, 50 maybe, let's put it at 70. It's kind of arbitrary. And then every time we draw, actually every time there's a tick, then let's just subtract 1 from it. Alien tick subtract 1. Okay, so let's see how this looks like. All right, so now it starts off really slow, and it should start gaining speed. And if we hit 1, we can make it go even faster. Okay, and let's do that. So okay. Oh, it's picking up speed. Oh, it picked up a little speed there. And it stopped. Oh, it stopped because it turned to some negative number. So we have to make sure that alien tick, let's see, where is this? Okay, so alien tick -1, let's see. So we'll just make this into math dot max between 1. So it'll always stay 1 or alien tick -1. Okay. So yeah. So this starts off slow, but then it can see that it'll start picking up speed. And then it'll go really, really fast. Yeah, so you can see that it's starting to pick up speed here. Okay, now it's going a little bit faster. Okay, now it's at 1, so now it's at really, really fast speed. Okay. All right. So we need to modify this so that instead of alien tick, we'll say if we'll set it at a constant, like every 10. Every 10th one, then we'll do the check. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, that didn't. See what happened there. 10 is a little bit too fast. So every 100. Okay. Oh, actually, equal 0. Forgot to compare it to 0. Okay, I think there's a JavaScript error because oh, it's processing a request, so it's going way too fast. And just reload. Okay, so something is wrong. This is, let's see. All right, I think I'm gonna have to kill it and start again. Okay. Start. Okay, so this isn't bad. So what we want to do is every time we make a hit, so let's go here and where is it? Okay, this code is starting to get a little bit messy, and normally when it starts getting bigger than a page full, I start writing, putting these into functions. But for now, I can see that we're almost getting there. So okay, so let's see where the alien is hit. Okay, so it's with the bullet. Okay, so right now we remove it. So instead what we'll do is we'll do the see, alien tick. Take that code, put it right there. But okay, so we'll instead of subtracting 1, we'll subtract actually, let's just subtract 1. Okay, so I save. Okay, so just by shooting them, they should start to pick up speed. Okay, so I think this is a good stopping point, and so the next time we'll try to see how much further we can go with this. I think it would be good to have some sound effects where once it hits, you would see a little explosion here. Okay, and we also need to create the shields and have these aliens fire. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so I'll see you next time.